Okay, my name is Chidera and I study economics in the University of Kent, and I was able to complete my program in New York. I chose to do my program in New York because it's a really good place to get the experience of the financial world, especially because that's where I want to go into, so that's why. I loved when my host organization, that's my bosses, when they complimented me, when they commended me when I did really well. So that was really, really nice. When I could see myself literally grow in my internship. So that just made me so happy and fulfilled. So that was the best thing for me. Okay, so my host organization was called Presciant, and it's a brand consulting company in New York. So I was able to work with senior consultants in the field, and they were able to mentor me and teach me what exactly it is to be a brand consulting intern and what brand consulting is all about. I was able to work on projects for clients and help them become the best version of themselves in the market where they are competing. So that's what I did. Personally, I was able to find a community. I was able to find a church. Some were Christians. I was able to find people that really loved me and people that really loved to spend time with me. In fact, my friends took me out every single week just to explore New York. So that was my best experience of New York. Personally, I think the program has really impacted me because before I went to New York, I was very in my zone, not trying to go out, not trying to explore. But when I went to New York basically forced me to explore, forced me to become an extrovert, which I'm not. And that really helped me to just explore the world, explore options, and just help me see the world in a different point of view. And professionally, I think I now have a better insight to the financial consulting world, and it's just interesting to see how much I've been able to learn in just 8 weeks. I think the intern group is really amazing. I was during the application process because I had to get a visa to go to the US. So it was really helpful. Every single time I emailed them, they always emailed me back very quickly, and it was really nice. I was able to do everything really quickly. I was able to finish everything by March, and I was meant to do my internship in August. So that's how good they were. And then when I went to the US, the organizers like Brian and Courtney, they were really nice and helpful, really nice. Even sometimes when I felt like, I didn't have anyone to talk to, whenever we went out for our events, they were able to talk to me and just say, oh, hi, how are you? How's your week been? How's work? And all of that. So it's just really nice. Really good. I recommend it 100%. I'll just say that this whole experience has really impacted me a lot, and I'm so grateful I was able to do it before I graduated from uni. And I think it's a really nice opportunity, especially because I get the work experience before I go into the job market after my uni. So I really recommend anyone that's in uni right now to take up this opportunity and to have this experience so that when they graduate, it's a really nice thing on your CV. I'll say go for it. You may seem really unsure, it may seem really difficult, confusing, like, oh my gosh, where do I start from? But just go for it, because you never know how much you learn in just maybe 6 weeks or 8 weeks or 2 months. Sorry, 2 months is oh 3 months. You never know, because when you go, you can never, there's no harm in trying, there's no harm in trying, and it's just an amazing experience. So I want that for everyone.